If you're not making money hand over fist, something's terribly wrong.
Real estate investing refers to the purchase of property as an investment to generate revenue instead of utilizing it as a main source of income. In easy terms, real estate can be believed as any land, building, infrastructure, and other real property, which is usually immovable but transferable. Houses, office buildings, and commercial property are some examples of real estate. Any barren land where activities like farming take place is also a form of real estate. Investing in real estate is a long-term process and results in high profit in future at a low risk level, but these investment decisions are unchangeable. But why should one invest in real estate? Real estate investment is the possession of the property, which generates a large amount of wealth in the long run, in which the investor is regarded to be their own boss. Real estate investing properties are classified into various forms based on their uses. Residential real estate. Residential real estate comprises house, township, bungalow, which are used for residential purposes. Whether it's a recently built property or a building to be resold by the owner, this is the most formal type of estate and is the asset class that most people are familiar with. Industrial real estate. Many broad-scale properties such as built factories, manufacturing units, warehouses, distribution centers are classified under industrial real estate. Industrial businesses for activities such as factories, mechanical productions, research and development, construction, and transportation also fall under industrial real estate. Commercial real estate. The properties or office buildings like complexes are divided into many minor units. These are used to run various businesses for commercial purposes. Therefore, they are generally known as commercial real estate. Retail space. These equities are used as showrooms, restaurants, shopping malls, retail shop, located in prime locations of a particular area. Fix and flip properties. The residential properties which are not in a state and are available at a low price are termed as fix and flip properties. Buyers often purchase these kinds of properties and later on, after renovating, modifying and repairing such properties, sell these to other consumers at a high price. Real estate development is a cycle that involves the purchase of raw land, construction and renovation of buildings, and sale or lease of the complete property to buyers. Developers receive a profit by enhancing the price of the land. Real estate properties have been evaluated as one of the surest investments. Investment in real estate requires a long vision and equity investment to get profitable returns. Real estate properties are one of those investments which have a physical presence. The economic unions are interested in funding tangible estate because of its real and physical existence. When financial inflation generates an adverse consequence on the value of different enterprises, investing in real estate is a valuable choice. It is a simple form of investment. Real estate investment does not have any fixed period to receive outcomes as in other investments like fixed deposits, which allow the owner to buy or sell his property as per his wish. Real estate properties are generally used as collaterals in banks and other financial institutions. During the coronavirus pandemic, real estate has emerged as a comfortable investment option for investors. Owning a home has been traditionally considered a matter of prestige as well as safety. The sector has been on the top of discussion in the investor world for the last few years, with a strong rise in equity markets, with investors' opinion favoring the latter. The positive connection between a country's GDP growth and the need for actual estate flows from the inflation fluctuating capacity of the sector. Investing in real estate is a very smart decision. The value of estate keeps on rising, contrasting to the situation in the economy. These equities are used as showrooms, shopping malls, restaurants, retail shops, etc. Unlike different properties, real estate is not affected by inflation. Residential and commercial properties are the only properties that have the power of generating earnings through rentals to pay off the interest on the debt, giving properties on rent for both residential and commercial purposes in a promising plan for creating passive income for a long duration that assures regular and continuous cash flow. Sales and marketing corporations work with developers to sell buildings and equity they create. The real estate agent or brokers earn a good sort of money in the form of commissions during the process of buying and selling among the buyers and the sellers. Real estate investing encourages individuals to develop a source of extra income other than the income from their salary. Tax rates for long-term investments are further very low. Real estate has many privileges over investing in stocks or mutual funds. Real estate offers reliable cash flow, thus bearing up with inflation. It provides a greater return because of optimistic leverage, and it also offers capital growth through debt reduction. Most real estate properties are purchased with a lesser down payment, with the balance of the money being provided through debt finance from a lender. Over time, the primary amount of the mortgage is paid down slowly at first and then more rapidly towards the end of the period. This principal reduction helps in building capital. One of the unique and impressive advantages of real estate is that it is improvable, because real estate is an actual asset made out of wood, brick, concrete, and glass, which can improve the value of any property. In many terms, real estate investing can be efficient. In markets where land and house prices are emerging, real estate is constantly brought as an investment, regardless of whether the owner aspires to use the property. It can help and can be a good source of additional income. To invest in real estate, you require a brokerage account. If you don't have a brokerage account, it will take less than 15 minutes to open a new account. Best ways to invest in real estate. Number 1. Purchase real estate investment trust. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without any hardships. This type of trust owns commercial real estates such as office buildings, retail spaces, apartments, and hotels. Real estate investment trusts pay high dividends, which makes them a popular investment. Investors who don't require a steady income can reinvest those dividends to grow their investment more. Investors generally prefer sticking to publicly traded real estate investment trusts as they reduce the amount of risk and are easy to sell along with maintaining good value. Number 2. Online real estate investing platform. Like many real estate investments, these are too risky. These platforms connect real estate creators to investors who want to finance ventures either through debt or capital. Investors hope to collect monthly or quarterly amounts in exchange for taking on a substantial percentage of risking and paying a fee to the platform. Many companies like Prosper and Lending Club, which connect borrowers to investors who are willing to lend them money for various personal needs such as a wedding or home renovation, are similar to online real estate investing. Number 3. Renting a room. The best way to invest in real estate is renting a house or room which you own other than your living room. Renting a room is a lot more convenient than the vivid idea of real estate investing. If you've got an extra room, you can rent it and earn monthly from it. There is one ultimate advantage to a real estate investment that is very simple and an easy form of investment for almost everyone. It's easy to purchase, easy to finance, and there are no financial obstacles to enter. It's easy for investors to increase their properties, and it's easy to use the tax benefits. While Wall Street is becoming more and more of a contradiction and becoming the event of financiers, real estate investing is looking better and better for normal and regular investors. Like all other investment decisions, the best real estate investments are the ones that best satisfy the investor's choice. On top of everything, real estate is not paper money. This is the investment you can hold tangibly, which further improves its trustworthiness and return on investment. The post-pandemic world will be favorable for real estate sector, the one sector that will arise as a silver lining in such a miserable scenario. Timing is significant when someone is analyzing investing in real estate. Real estate investing allows less risk volatility than the stock market. It can be a good source of cash flow, ensuring good long-term returns. It helps you in reducing all types of expenses from your taxes. These include mortgage interest, depreciation, equity tax, and more. Real estate investment can be very simple once you understand the basic elements of investment, economics, and risk. But we cannot deny the fact that investing involves risk, which include the apparent loss of capital. If you make an error, the results can range from minor difficulties to major disasters. Would you prefer to invest in real estate? Share your opinions about real estate investing with us in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching our video, press the like button to our YouTube channel. We will see you in our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye. Thanks for watching.